welcome to the channel. Who would have thought? 3,000 subscribers. It's amazing, guys. Thank you for supporting me through my journey on locksmithing, and hopefully you guys got something from it. Support, some ideas, thinking out of the box, thinking different ways. And yeah, 3,000. I mean, I looked at the stats. There's something like 81,000 views I get on my channel, and I've only got 3,000 subscribers. Go figure. Anyway, I'm just so grateful for you guys who subscribe to my channel, for supporting me, and I hope I can make more content that you're happy with in the future. So cheers, thanks again.